Guys, so for the recipe of this traditional fruit cake, I have taken some 10 grams of raisins, black raisins, 10 grams of green raisins, and I have taken Anika Hasri. Guys, for the traditional fruit cake, I've taken some dry fruits. I've taken some raisins, black currants, and dates. I'll write the measurements in the description bar. I have taken half cup of all these. I've taken black currants, green raisins, and I've taken a half cup of chopped dates. I've taken half cup of brown sugar, and I'm taking 100 grams of unsalted butter, and I'm going to mix it in this pot. Give it a simmer and a boil. Guys, I have put all the ingredients and I'm just going to put the stove on, and now I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes till the butter is melted and the sugar is all assembled in this fruit mix. And I forgot to mention that I had soaked the raisins in 1 cup orange juice. So I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, till it's all nicely soft. The raisins are soft. I had soaked the raisins just for 1 hour in orange juice, and now I'm just going to let it simmer. You can see that the butter is not melted completely, and I need the butter to be melted properly. So you have to give it a nice 20 to 25 minutes to simmer till the orange juice is, reduced a bit. I have taken 1 cup of orange juice. Okay. After I have done this process, as I told you that the sugar and the butter and all the fruits have combined in, and the fruits are mixed into this juicy orange juice, and it's all accumulated in the butter and the sugar mixture. Now after that, I'm going to show you the ingredients, the remaining ingredients for this traditional Christmas fruit cake. I'm going to add 2 eggs inside this fruit mixture. I have some dry fruits, that is, I've used just 1/4 cup of cashew nuts. I'm taking 1/4 cup of sugar. If you do not want to use sugar, you can use half a cup of honey. I'm just using 1/4 cup of sugar because I'm going to limit the sugar. I am using 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 of baking powder, okay, and 1/4 of baking soda, which I've used. This is 1/4 of baking powder and soda. I have used 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, you can see that, and I have used 1.5 cup of flour. So I'm going to just mix everything and show you. Add the eggs inside this mixture. After you take out this fruit mixture from the stove, you have to let it cool down, because if you put the eggs inside it directly, it could scramble in it. So it's better that you let it cool down and then add the eggs in it and mix it up. As you can see, guys, that I've added the entire dry and the mix, wet ingredients, and I'm just gonna give it a good mix till it becomes into till it assembles into a nice batter. And then I will show you. I'm going to align my baking pan. Guys, it looks like this after I have mixed it up. It's beautiful. It's a traditional, it's a chocolate traditional Christmas cake. I put a parchment paper on this cake pan, and I put the entire mixture into this cake. And now I'm going to put it in a preheated oven. I have put my oven for on 180 centigrade. You can put it on 350 Fahrenheit, and you have to keep it for 1 hour or maybe 65 minutes. Because this cake is a very wet cake, and it takes time for it to be done, because it has orange juice in it and it has all the dry fruits in it. So it's better that you can keep it for 60 minutes or maybe 1 hour. 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes, of just for 1 hour, till the toothpick comes out clean. So now I'm just going to place it in my oven. This fruit cake is absolutely ready. I had kept it for 60 minutes, but it was done in 40 minutes because my oven speed is quite fast, and I had kept it on 200 centigrade. I didn't keep it on 180 centigrade. I kept it on 200 centigrade and it was done in 40 minutes. But you always, if your oven is slow, you can always keep it for 60 minutes. So this cake is done. I just put a knife and it came out clean, right? So that means it's done. And please enjoy this recipe, guys. Try it and subscribe to my channel. Give me your feedback about it. Guys, this fruit cake is made on Christmas, and it's better if you can make it beforehand and you can serve it to your guest. It's a very easy recipe. Please try it, guys. This is what the cake looks like. It's delicious. Please give it a try, guys.